Hi viewers, hope you are good and healthy. This is your friend Bright and as usual came up with a new video for you. TikTok was a Chinese application for creating short videos and it was a popular platform to make money online. Good news is that TikTok application is finally banned in India. Also most of the countries are planning to ban TikTok application. Apparently, now the question is, what could be the alternative for TikTok lovers and TikTok video creators? Throughout this video, I am going to introduce such an application which could be a great replacement for TikTok. Not only that, this application is made in India. So stay tuned with us till the end as in this video, I will cover Number 1, a short tour of TikTok alternative application. Number 2, how to install it on mobile. Number 3, key features and how it works. And finally, how you can earn money using it like TikTok. Before I start, please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on for this channel. Bright Infotainment, as your subscription is my inspiration. My heartfelt thanks to them who already subscribed and became part of our family. Let's get started with a quick tour of application. Here you go.
Hi guys, my name is Tanya.
Hi guys, I'm Alisha.
मेरा नाम श्रेया भगत है.
Hi everyone and welcome back.
Welcome to the story.
दोस्तों हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल. सिंह मैं पानीपत से.
I'm at the beach, baby.
What's your first दिन क्या रहे?
तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का दिन.
आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चिली चिकन.
कोई भी क्लींजर यूज कर सकते हैं.
बदला लेना हर बार सही नहीं होता.
Few tips on how to look expensive.
What do I think of that?
Here are some of my favorite TV shows. Screen with Makeup Challenge. Name is Lust Story.
How to display your traveling pictures.
Today I went to
Zabardast response 11.
करना है फॉलो ट्रेल ऐप पर.
फॉलो कर लो फटाफट से.
Just follow me.
ऑन.
Amazing. Yes, I am talking about Trell, a mobile application which is great replacement of TikTok application and moreover this is made in India. Let's see how to install it on mobile. Go to the Play Store from your mobile and type Trell, a short video app made in India. Click on to very first result on your search followed by click on install to start installing. Once it is installed, open it. Since Trell app supports multiple Indian local languages, hence, Trell app will ask you to select your preferred language at the first time login. Select the language as you wish and continue. Once you are inside Trell app, click onto the profile icon which should be on bottom right corner over the screen. You have multiple options here to log into the app. You may choose either your phone number or your Facebook account or Gmail account or WhatsApp account. Once you verified yourself, application must show login is successful. Now click on the plus button, it will allow you to upload the videos from your mobile. You should get an inbuilt video editor where you can trim your video or you can add special effect which is really great. Edit and save the video to complete video uploading process. If you go back to Profile tab, you can see your post. Let's turn to Notification tab. As name says, Notification tab is for to notify you where your attention may require. Let's take a look on Home menu. Here you will get lot of good features like direct access to the videos who you are following. Not only that, videos like comedies, reaction videos, travel recipes and you will find more. Good thing is, here videos are organized and categorized in a great manner so you can jump into your area of interest quickly. Now let's open a video to see how interface looks like. When you start watching a clip, you have the option to comment it, like it or even you can save it for future. Trell app will allow you to share your videos through any other platform if you click on WhatsApp icon. Let's turn into the very important topic, how you can earn money using this app. I am sure most of you are waiting for this topic only. Like all the social media app does, earning depends upon how much popular you are over the application. more you have followers, better the chances to earn money. You have to make sure that your video reaches to a large audience. If you can do this successfully, your views and engagement count will get increased, pushing up your organic search traffic. Once you get a decent amount of followers on your profile, you can be approached by brands to showcase their product in your video. Usually brands offer money to influencers for their promotion. I think I have covered most of this application. So what are you waiting for? Start installing, uploading videos to make money online. Most importantly, you can earn coin here. You can earn the points if you click on to the right top corner on coin icon, as you see on the screen. Moreover, you have the chance to win gifts like iPhone 11. On this section, you will get the tips to upload videos, rules and regulations and video content ideas, which I think are very convenient for video content creators. Here is a summary of a full application review. Please watch and enjoy. This is all I have today. Hope this video was informative. Please share this video and hit the like button if you have enjoyed. If this is your first time here in our channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can be notified every time we upload videos. With this request, I am your friend Bright signing off for today. Thanks for watching our channel. See you soon with next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. Goodbye.